Hi. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It feels a little bit weird to say that, but I am making a resurgence to YouTube. I have been away for a long time. I want to say 2 years for sure, but like really 3 since 2020. And we all kind of know what happened in 2020. I don't think I have to say it. I have been really digging deep into, just what I'm interested in. What do I want to do? What am I good at? What do I like? And you know what? YouTube has always been one of those things that I just love doing. And I took a really long break, but I'm ready. I'm ready to come back. Okay, so the question is, where have I been? Why did I leave in the first place? Something that meant so much to me. And I just kind of like stopped. So basically in 2020, as we all know, like that was a tough year for obvious reasons. For me, I was a full-time professional personal trainer. And during that time, I essentially lost my job. I lost my job. I lost the clients that I was working with. I wasn't able to work for several months due to the fact that we were not able to have contact with people. You know what I mean? So it was very isolating. And I really went through it mentally and financially. I mean, I'm sure we all did, but that was just mine. And so yeah, that really took a toll on me. Another thing that happened in 2020 was, unfortunately, I went through a hard breakup. And going through that breakup and losing my job just kind of put me in a very non-creative, uninspired place. And I felt very down, and I would not say lost, but just not, myself. I didn't feel like myself. And it's really hard to want to film YouTube videos and be super excited and come on here and be really happy and just show you guys how I do my hair and all that stuff when I really just don't feel it. You know what I mean? I just didn't feel it. So yeah, from then, when you think like, okay, so it took a year to get everything kind of back on track, then I got COVID. I got COVID, and it wasn't as bad as a lot of people. So I don't want to sit here and say like I was, down bad health wise. I was fine for the most part. It was just my hair was suffering. I know a lot of people experience like loss of edges and shedding, and that was kind of what happened to me. So with all of that going on in a very short amount of time, I really just was like, you know what? F YouTube. I'm not even it's not even on it's so far in the back burner. I don't even see it. You know what I mean? And as the time went on, as the months went on, then the years went on, it was just easier and easier for me to just not pick it back up, to say like, well, I haven't done it in so long. Now, TikTok has made a resurgence from then. We have YouTube Shorts. We have, all these different things. And I was just feeling kind of left behind or left out. And that maybe I wasn't able to like catch up to where everybody was with their editing skills. Like everybody does such great videos. And I just didn't want to come back on here and be subpar or be less, or not give you guys the great quality that you're used to seeing. So in my brain, I'm psyching myself out, telling myself it's not going to be good enough, so why even try, I guess, which is not an attitude that I usually have, but like I said, I wasn't really feeling myself. So now 2023 is here. yeah, I'm feeling good. You know, I feel positive. I feel like I'm in a great space. I had a change of career, so I'm no longer full-time personal training. I'm actually a physical education teacher at a middle school, and I really enjoy it. I love the kids. I'm a full-time mom to a teenager, which is crazy to say. He's getting so big. And yeah, I'm enjoying life right now, and just working on things that make me happy. And this is one of the things that I've always said to myself, like, yeah, let me start back, but I just never did. And I want to be actionable, and I want to be someone who says they're going to do something and does it. And that's what I'm doing now. So, all this month, well, it's September, so I don't know when you're going to see this, but I have filmed all these videos for you guys so that I can say for sure that you're going to get 2 videos a week. My plan is to do Wednesday and Sunday, but you guys can tell me if you're interested in seeing 1 video a week from me or 2 video weeks, but I think 2 would definitely like solidify like I'm here, you know, I'm not going anywhere. I want to give you guys natural hair content. I've had some changes in my hair that I want to talk about. Some positive things, some setbacks. But yeah, we'll talk about that as time goes on. And just some differences in my hair. So yeah, like I'm excited to share these things with you. I want to introduce just a new style of content. I feel like now, since like I was saying before, the TikToks are out and the TikTokers are outside, I want to make myself a little bit more accessible. I want you guys to see more of the real me as opposed to just, you know, what I show you in this box right here. I want to incorporate some vlogging, obviously some hair and beauty stuff, some lifestyle stuff, some fitness stuff, just all types of content that really embodies who I am now. And I want to take you guys along with that so you just see, you know, see me, get to know me. Along the way, I've had a lot of support from friends and family, and I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all of those who are still subscribed to me. Thank you to all of those who are still subscribed to me, who have been with me since the beginning, which was, I don't even know, was that 8 years ago? 9 years ago? When I first started my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me that you guys are still here and you guys still ask me, and I read the comments from time to time, like, you know, where am I? You know, I was their favorite YouTuber back in the day, and I mean, that's special to me, you know what I mean? And I feel like we have a bond that I would like to rekindle if you guys will stick with me and, you know, just let's keep moving forward. Yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys me and just the content that I have to offer. So another thing, actually, before I leave, another thing is if you have any questions for me or any just comments that you want to make, please leave them on this video, because in a bit I will be filming a question and answer so that you guys can just, like I was saying before, I want you to know me. So any questions, hair related, beauty related, lifestyle related, fitness related, you know, where the hell I've been at related, just leave them in the comment section below. For those of you who want to see my hair, by the way, it's just flat ironed right now. I've been getting real good at getting it nice and straight. Okay. I don't know if you can see the bottom of that, but that's definitely going to be a video, okay? So that you guys can see updated routines of what I'm doing with my hair right now. And yeah, I'm just excited to show you everything. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you on very, very, very soon on the next one.